Namaste to all, and thank you so much for for all the love you have given to me for my last two videos on Navratri and festival. I was really coming up with a lot of interesting videos about facts and anything you want me to shoot on. But this one is not about anything else of the previous ones which I have shot. This is basically about the Diwali gift which I have received, and it is a beautiful minimalistic piece from All My Craft. I will be showing it to you people in this video. You can say it's a product video, yeah, or you can say that I will be reviewing the product which I have received as a Diwali gift from All My Craft. It's a beautiful piece, guys, handcrafted and small, but it has a lot of multifunctions and it can be used in a various ways. It's a very beautiful one. So yes, I am a digital influencer as well, and I keep on influencing properties, products, and a lot of other services. But as and when it comes, but this one is not for influencing. But yeah, in a way you can say it's influencing as well. Why? Because I really wanted to review this piece which I have received as a Diwali gift, and the Diwali gifts have started pouring in. I'm really happy. Yeah, so I'll be showing you the entire ones. So we are starting to open it and see. I am just loving the small pouch, to be honest. See, like that. Isn't it beautiful, guys? So what is it? It is actually an ultra slim fit-in pocket wallet. See, it's so beautiful, alright? And it's actually so slim that, it will actually protect your back from the back pains and all. And it's not a bulky wallet. Usually we have a lot of bulky wallets, so it's not only for men, it is for both, like men and women, so they can use it. It's handmade, it's hand printed by all the traditional artisans, and it is such a minimalistic, beautiful designs you have. And here you go, this is what I have received. So see, so it's basically like what you see here. This it is handcrafted, it is handmade script, and this is Kathi script which we say. So all the traditional artisans, they actually crafted by hand, and if you go to their website you can see and check out all the details about it. So it's an ancient Kathi script in the background design, and this is such a beautiful thing. Then they have given me all this barcode as well if you just wanted to buy, and they're just amazing, guys. See, one beautiful part which I really wanted to tell you is like it's a multifunctional wallet. I'm sure you might have seen it before a lot of times. So you can put your card into it, so your cards will gonna come out here, and then your currency will be here. Keep your currency here. So it's so sleek, if you see that it will just fit in like this in your pocket. And see this is so beautiful. Such a sleek and a spacious inside wallet they have given me. And the best part is it's a health friendly design. Yes, though it is a leather, but then it is a health friendly design. Another best part about this product is, as I mentioned, it's a health friendly. So this is all one piece. If you see, there's no stitches, there's nothing. It's just one piece made it, and if you smell it also, it's so beautiful. So there's no stitching, and it's innovatively designed, and it has all the round edges of it. What they have given me out here is like the Kathi script, the Kathy script, which they call. So this is a lost script, basically, and that's a language which has disappeared. A unique way of looking at the world disappears. and various scripts have unique structural and stylistic characteristics of the specific region of the globe where these emerge from. One searches Kethi script predominantly has been used in North Indian states and Nepal since the 16th century until the 1900s. So they're actually revamping it, and they have given this to me. Another very important thing is this script is the symbol of mindfulness. It's the symbol of consciousness, which is like, if you really want to, I would gonna do it, you can scan it and you can actually explore more about this, because this script is so soothing to your mind. It's a symbol of mindfulness, and they have given a small note with this as well. The mindfulness symbol depicts there are 3 stages of water drop. One is falling to touch the ocean, the future. Another merged into ocean and became ocean. In the mid, there's a moment where it touches the ocean, the present moment of yours. The waves arise at this point of time. The real event happens at this point of time. Living this moment at its best is the only way to correct past mistakes and create better future. That's what mindfulness teaches us. Wow, I am so amazed, guys, having this something on the Diwali gift and the festivals coming, or anyways also, it's not that, because all my craft guys have sent it to me. But then if you need it and you really want, I think you all should have, irrespective of whatever, because you should support the local craftsmen, and you should actually embrace the sustainable living and health friendly living. We should actually endorse the local craftsmanships and traditional scripts, which is actually lost in our culture. So I think you all should buy it. So this was it. I hope you guys liked it, the small piece. I'm very happy to get it, and yes, I received as a gift from them. But if you need, you can get it, and as I mentioned, you should actually buy it, because not because it's beautiful, yes it is, but it is actually supporting local craftsmen and handicraft and the culture of our country, which is lost in some ways. And I think you all should get it. It's not that pricey, and if you're really looking for it, so I have a description below, I have a link below in the description, so you guys can just check that link and just buy it out from there. Okay, this is nice. So just check the link which I have given in the description and go get it. It's beautiful. Yes, you can gift it to someone. It's nice. Okay guys, so before signing off, as I always say, be happy, be blessed, be a responsible person, just love yourself, and follow me, subscribe my channel, support me, because I'm coming out with a lot of things now. So you support me. If you support me, I'm gonna bring you more interesting, great videos, whatever you like to listen or learn from me. Yeah. Okay, so for now I'm signing off. Bye. Thank you so much. Namaste.